Can you hear me? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're connecting from. Can you hear me? Just drop a comment if you can hear me. Drop a comment if you can hear me. Afternoon. Can you hear me? How's been trading? How's it been? If you can hear me loud and clear, if you can see my screen, let me know in the comment section. So PPI, core retail sales, and unemployment claim will be released in the next 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and some seconds. Okay, 3 minutes and some seconds, and that is why we are here. Okay, waiting for this data to be released. While we wait for that, let's see what's been happening on the charts. Let's see what's been happening. Let's start by looking at DXY, dollar index. Okay, so like I shared with you guys, our dollar index is still bearish. Okay, if the data comes out negative, it is negative for the dollar, we should expect more bearish move for the dollar. If the data comes out negative, PPI, retail sales, and unemployment claims. If it's negative, then we should expect more bearish move on the dollar. Let's say the yen basket. My bias for yen basket was yen basket. Bias was bearish. Let's see yen basket. Bias for the yen basket is bearish. It is bearish. So wait for this 4-hour candle to close. If it closes bearish, we should be looking for sell. Like I said, we need to wait for 1-hour candle to close below the low of this candle before we go bearish on yen. We need to wait for price to close below the low of this candle. If you can hear me, drop a comment. If you can hear me, drop a comment. Okay, 2 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes to go. Please confirm you can hear me. Confirm you can hear me. Okay, let's see GBP USD. What's happening on GBP USD? Okay, GBP USD. It's been ranging since the London session. It's been ranging. After this strong bullish move and bearish move, you can see it's been ranging. My bias still remains bullish on GU, and if the data comes out negative, GU is likely going to come for the liquidity residing at this high. Okay, that is what I see playing out on GU. Okay, so see if 1 hour closes above, if by 2 o'clock, the candle that will close by 2, if it closes above this high, that confirms the buy. And also if the data comes out negative for the dollar, that confirms buy. So if the data comes out negative for the dollar, wait for 1 hour candle. That's the candle that will close by 2 p.m. Wait for it to close before you buy. And if you are buying, you can set your stop loss using the low of this candle. You can use the low of this candle as your stop loss. Okay, let's see CHF JPY. I told you guys I expect CHF JPY to pull back. You can see it did a little retracement here. Yeah, you can see the retracement it did here. It has cleared, it swept liquidity that was residing at this previous low. Okay, it swept liquidity residing at this previous low. So if 1 hour candle closes above this level, I would buy. If by 2, the market is trading above this level, that would be a buy. that would be a buy. If 1 hour by 2 o'clock the market is trading above this level, that would be a buy. Okay, I think the news has been released. Let's see if it is negative. Let's see, negative. I think is okay. Let's wait for unemployment claims. Core PPI is negative. Core retail sales is negative. PPI also is negative. This is 3-2, right? We have three negative, one positive, and one neutral. Okay, three negative, one positive, and one neutral. So I think this is negative data for the US. This is three, so I think it's negative for the United States. Okay, I think it's negative, and by 1:40, which is 10 minutes from now, Fed Chappell will be speaking. Okay, but going by this data that we have here, it's a negative data for the dollar. It's negative for the dollar. It is negative for the dollar. Okay. If you have any pair you want me to analyze, let me know. Already did the analysis in the morning. My bias still remains the same. GU buy, AU buy, NU buy, EU buy, and GJ buy, CHF JPY buy, uh, USD card sell, USD card. Okay, USD card sales is still valid. USD card sales, okay, good. This is 4 hour. Wait for 2. This candle will close by 2. It will close by 2, and if it closes as a bearish reversal pattern, you should look for your sales, and you should aim for this low. Aim for this low on USD card. That's how many pips on the current market price. This is 3981, 3959. Okay, this should be your first target. And if they're able to clear that liquidity, they're able to sweep that liquidity, then they would come fill this fair value gap, this gap. So this should be your TP2, this should be your TP1. Okay, TP1, TP2. Okay, that is what I see playing out on USD card. USD CHF also still bearish. You can see I gave this call in the morning. USD CHF is bearish. It's bearish, and USD CHF, I think this will be the next target. This will be the next drawn liquidity. Okay, if they're able to fill that, clear that liquidity, the next drawn liquidity will be this low. Okay, you can see here we had a fair value gap, which is in confluence with this liquidity area. Okay, so this will be the next target for USD CHF. If you have any question, any pair you want me to analyze, let me know in the comment section. Let's look at gold. Okay, gold is still bullish. Said in the morning that gold is still bullish. It's still bullish. But I was hoping gold would do a little retracement. But you know how gold behaves. It does its own thing. It does its own thing. I was expecting gold to retrace. Yeah. I was expecting gold to retrace because you can see it created a fair value gap here. Created a fair value gap here. So I was hoping gold would retrace to fill this fair value gap. That's my expectation on gold. Okay, this won't be the right price to buy. Price has already moved. So if I'm considering buying, I want to see price do a little retracement before going bullish on gold. And now that the news is negative for the dollar, Gold might not retrace. Gold might not retrace. Gold might not retrace. It might not retrace. Maybe tomorrow it will retrace, but today, because the data is negative for the dollar, it might not see price retrace. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be signing out in a few minutes. In a few minutes. I'll be signing out in a few minutes. If you have any question, let me know. Let me know. There are no questions. There are no questions. I can't see your questions. Okay, no questions. All right, all right. So if there are no questions, that will be all for this session. I believe you got value. Please ensure you apply good risk and money management. Okay, so like I said, we might meet tonight. I'll create a link tonight by 9:30 p.m. or tomorrow by 10 a.m. I'll drop the link on the various on social platform. Thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day.